Aries, The Strategist Era 2026. Aries, makinig kang mabuti. 2026 is not here to test your anger management. It's here to test kung marunong ka na bang pumili ng laban. Kung sanay ka dati na bahala na, go na. This year, sasabihin ng universe, pwede pa rin, pero may plano na dapat. 2026 shifts you from reaction mode to strategy mode. Hindi ibig sabihin humina ka, mas tumalino ka lang. Career-wise, this is a year where you stop chasing validation. Hindi mo na kailang patunayan na kaya mo, alam na ng mundo. Pero ito rin ang taon na matututo kang maghintay ng tamang timing. Oo, mahirap yan para sa'yo, pero panalo. Money energy? Hindi bigla ang jackpot pero consistent growth. Kung dati gastos muna bago isip, this year, isip muna bago gastos. And guess what? Mas yayaman ka dahil doon. Love life, Aries. Ito ang plot twist. Hindi ka na attracted sa chaos. Yung dating exciting pero toxic, nakakaumay na. 2026 teaches you that peace is not boring. Peace is powerful. Kung single ka, you'll attract someone steady. At first, iisipin mong, asan ang thrill? Then one day, marirealize mo, ay, hindi ako anxious. Boom! That's the thrill now. Kung taken ka, relationships improve kapag hindi ka laging tama. Yes, sinabi ko yan. Compromise is not surrender, it's leadership. Health-wise, ingat sa burnout. Hindi ka robot. Hindi porket kaya mo, gagawin mo na. 2026 message for Aries, hindi ka pinapabagal ng universe. Ina-upgrade ka niya.
Follow kung gusto mo pa ng daily forecast.